Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 3.2. And before this, there is something that you have to learn. That is the sum of the measures of the external angles. The sum of the measures of the external angle of any polygon, angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by n. Number of side of regular polygon, number of sides of regular polygon is equal to 360 degree by each exterior angle. Now come to exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. In question number 1, in question 1, you have to find the value of x. Now, I am going to solve question number 1b. In the given figure, b, x plus 70 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree, this equal to 360 degree. As we know that these are the sum of exterior angles. Now, x plus 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree, and this equal to 50 degree. Now come to question number 2 of 2. In question number 2, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Question number 2, 15 sides. It means n is equal to, therefore each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by 15 to the 30, 15, 4 is 60, 24. Number of sides is 24. Therefore, each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. Now, question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is equal to 24 degree? Therefore, it is given that each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree, and you have to find the number of sides. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 by 24 degree, and 24 15 ja. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 15. Now question number 4. In question number 4, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is equal to 165 degree? Each interior angle is given. Each interior angle is equal to 165 degree. Therefore, each exterior angle is equal to 180 degree m minus 165 degree. This is equal to 15 degree, and therefore number of sides is equal to 360 degree by 15 degree, 24. Therefore number of sides is equal to 24. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5A. In 5A, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Since each exterior angle is equal to 22 degree, therefore answer is no. Answer is no. Because if we put the value of each exterior angle angle 22 degree, we get number of sides in fraction, which is not possible, Now B. Answer of B is also no, because each exterior angle is 180 degree m minus 22 degree. This equal to 158 degree, which is not a divisor of 360 degree. Now question number 6. In question number 6A, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? The equilateral triangle. Your answer is the equilateral triangle being a regular polygon of three sides has the least measure of an interior angle is equal to 60 degree, and answer of B is by A. We get by A, we can see that the greatest exterior angle (120 degree) Now we have to start exercise 3.2, but before starting this we have to some special things to. Now a special types of quadrilateral. A special types of quadrilateral. First is trapezium. First is trapezium. It is a quadrilateral It is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. ABCD and PQRS are trapezium. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are of equal length, it is called an isosceles trapezium. Second is parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Example: ABCD, EFGH, PQRS. Here ABCD, EFGH and PQRS are parallelograms. The opposite angles of a parallelogram. These are the properties of parallelogram. The opposite angles of a parallelogram parallelogram are of equal measure. B. The adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. The diagonals of a parallelogram. Third, C. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at the point of their intersection. D. To third is rhombus, and third is rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the four sides are equal. A, B, C, D. A rhombus has the following property. A rhombus has the following properties. First, opposite sides are parallel. Second, all sides are equal. Third, opposite angles are equal. Fourth, diagonals bisect each other. At right angles. Is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is a right angle. whose each angle is equal to 90 degree, that is right angle. Properties of rectangle. First, all the angles of the rectangle are right angle. All the angles of the right angle of the rectangle, all the angles of the rectangle are right angle. Second, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Third, equal. Fourth, diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Now, fifth, diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Now, fifth is a square. A square is a rectangle and at the same time it is a rhombus. So a square has all the properties of a rectangle and rhombus. Now, properties of a square. Properties of a square. First, all the sides of a square are equal. All the sides of a square are equal. Second, The opposite sides are parallel. Third, each angle of a square is a right angle. Four, the diagonals of a square are equal. And fifth and last, gonals of a square are the diagonals of a square bisect each other. At right angles. Now this is okay, and you have to learn all these things, definition and properties. Okay.